video, I will show you how to compare PDF files. Click on Adobe Acrobat to open. To compare files, click on Tools. In Share and Review group, there is Compare File section. Click on down arrow, click on Open. Then select the file. This is the first one. Select, then click on Open. Then select the new file. This is the second. Click on Open. You can see two files have been selected. You can select if you want to compare text only. So in this video, I am comparing text only. You can also click on setting to check other like annotation, formatting, background. This will also show in your report after comparing. So let's cancel it. Let's click on compare. You can see preparing files to compare. You can see this is the report. Shown replacement in yellow color, shown insertion in blue color, shown deletion in red color. This is the report and this is the file. You can see Virender call. Here you can see Virender core. Old one it is call, but in new one it is core. So this is the report and you can trace each thing. Rest of the file are same. In this way, you can compare any two PDF files. Click on close. If you want to save this report, you can also save it by clicking here.